We're
not going inside, we're going to stay outside.
Inside and have
no, Comrade Kelly, we're going to stay inside. Stay outside here. We came at the PNP headquarters.
No, come inside.
So we decide we're going to
No, but it's discussion, discourse.
Discussion about what, Comrade Kelly?
Let us come inside and have a discussion about all the issues that you have invited the media.
Comrade Councillor Kelly.
We are willing to hear
Comrade
from
Councillor
you.
Kelly, listen to me. I know that you are you're a messenger.
So, but
listen to me. I'm not coming inside to have a discussion.
It's all open.
No, I'm not coming inside to have a discussion.
You're not? Okay.
No, we're going to stay outside.
Well, how are we going to unite? You don't want unity. That's the point. That's the point. That's what is happening right now.
That's
yes,
very rich.
that is clear.
That is very, very rich.
But the media is invited to hear from us in response
when we came here, the party headquarters should be as it
gathering.
is now. When we came here this morning.
Yes.
And when our intent is very clear and it has not changed.
And we have said it. It's nothing.
We surmise that there might be some people from Mark Holding constituency who will be here. Our decision is clear. We're going to come, we're going to hold a corner, we're going to hold a vibes, we're going to call out Norman and Michael's spirit, and we're going to tell them we are going.
Yeah.
We're not confronting with anybody. We're not in any war with no PNP people. But they come here to do that, threatening to beat people, telling me what we need, and all that kind of thing. So I mean, now that we come and the gate locked, that might be, you see, I see everything as a sign. We come in here and see the gate locked, that's God work, man. That's not man work. That must have been Jesus when I asked him this morning, said, Lord, you take care of this because of your thing, it's not mine. I'm just your vessel. So when I come this morning and the gate locked, that must be Jesus' response to say, all right, Karen Cecilia, you don't want a war? The gate locked, would stay out here. So I think going inside might provoke animosity. We're going to stay outside.
We are not here for that.
We're going to stay outside.
Here for a change. We know the leader has